This is 7 National News, and in our top story, the UAE Vice President, Prime Minister and ruler of Dubai, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, addressed the closing session of the Government Summit 2013, praising the efforts of the Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Interior, Lieutenant General Sheikh Saif bin Zayed Al Nahyan, and the Deputy Prime Minister and Minister for Presidential Affairs, Sheikh Mansour bin Zayed Al Nahyan. Sheikh Mohammed praised their constructive roles in government development and homeland service at all levels and in all fields, hailing them as the driving force of the UAE cabinet. The summit concluded on Tuesday, underlining the role that customer-centric innovation, the active engagement of the public in problem-solving, and partnerships with the private sector have in strengthening the efficiency of government service delivery. Sheikh Mansour bin Zayed, the Minister of Presidential Affairs and Deputy Prime Minister, also announced a move to adjust holiday time. He said that this was a part of efforts to make private sector employment more appealing to Emiratis, a sector in which he said 30,000 new positions were available. Senior government officials in Dubai strengthened the call to help save the environment by joining Dubai Municipality's 4th annual Car-Free Day today. Top government officials and employees from both the public and private sectors packed onto the Dubai Metro at 7:30 this morning. Officials from the Dubai Chamber, members of the Dubai Police, as well as the Minister of Environment and Water, His Excellency Dr. Rashid bin Farhad, and the Minister of Education, His Excellency Humaid Al Khatami, were among those who joined Dubai Municipality's Director General, Engineer Hussein Nasser, on the train to the civic body's headquarters.
We believe in this. It will be awareness, for everybody, and they're participating. It will be encouraging other, their own staffs and their own peoples and others will be, plus also their family and other. We believe in to sustain the environment and also the transport and others to be a new fashion and a new vision for that.
Our participation for the 4th year demonstrate our commitment to the environment and to society. I would insist again on one thing, that this initiative and such programs are very, very important for generations to come. At the end of the day, they are our children, our society that would really benefit from all of these initiatives. And I want again to thank Dubai Municipality, the participants. I wish them all the best. But let's agree on one thing, that this is not one day. It is a practice for all year long, all life long, and it will be nice to see such people and such people that are in position that will take public transports so others can follow them as an example.
The group toured an exhibit showcasing companies and products offering sustainable solutions and projects that had been put up in an empty parking lot. According to the municipality, 1,000 cars participated initially in 2010, which saw a reduction of 3 tonnes of carbon emissions. 2,400 vehicles joined in 2011, reducing 4.2 tonnes, while last year saw 3,500 vehicles participate, cutting down at 10.5 tonnes of carbon emissions.
Now today also we have enlarged the invitation. Based on every station, we studied all the adjacent private companies. So we encourage the employee of these private companies to participate with us today on this event. Now, as much as we can spread the idea to the public, this is the aim. The aim, it is environment, pure environment. We want to reduce the number of cars in the street. We want to reduce the emission from these cars, and that's what we are trying to achieve.
Additionally, on the sidelines of Dubai Municipality's Car-Free Day event, the civic body signed an MOU with a private sector company. Engineer Hussein Nasser, the Director General of the Dubai Municipality, and Ahmad Al Circle, the CEO of the Al Circle Group, entered into a memorandum of understanding that aims to further contribute to the conservation of the environment.
We have noticed a lot of understanding. We have noticed a lot of understanding from the individual and also from the companies. Like today, we are signing a memorandum of understanding with a Circle company. They are brought an idea is to plant 12 trees for every car they own. So this is another achievement we are looking for it. So even individual people start using the metro. There is companies, they are participating in the environment. So a lot of these ideas is coming day by day. So we are in continuation of this event. I think we can achieve a lot.
A standardised set of healthcare policies and practices are needed in order to avoid costly, preventable medication errors, which globally amounts to over $22 billion annually for both inpatients and outpatients. That's according to medical practitioners at today's Drug Safety MENA Summit. Held in Abu Dhabi, the two-day event introduced pharmacovigilance, a concept which is in its infancy in both the Arab and Western world. Healthcare delegates defined the term as a system designed to detect, assess and understand the adverse effects of medication, particularly long and short term. It was revealed that more than 50% of all medications are prescribed, dispensed or sold inappropriately due to a lack of knowledge and awareness. To minimise incorrect drug use, the UAE's Ministry of Health implemented Worried in 2008, a drug safety programme and a part of the e-health strategy, which continues to enhance the delivery of healthcare services in the region.
The Worried program, as I told you, it's implemented now in all hospitals in Northern Emirates and shortly in all primary healthcare centers. The future plan, we are seeking the standardization for all health services in the UAE, in both the private and government sector. And in order to achieve that, it's very important to have what we call it accreditation. For example, the GCI accreditation. For those facilities have the accreditation, it's very important to maintain it and update it. And for those they don't have, also to get accreditation.
Dubai's population rose 5% last year to hit 2.1 million, according to the latest figures, while daily visitors rose 2% to reach over 1 million. According to a local daily, estimates from the Dubai Statistics Centre show that men made up more than 3/4 of the population, due to the large number of expat men who come for work without their families. The three most populous neighbourhoods last year were all industrial areas or labour accommodations, making up 17.5% of the Emirates' population, where more than 99% were male. 29 communities in Dubai were found to be majority female, including parts of Al Barsha and Al Waka. One community, Zabel 2, where Zabel Palace is located, was perfectly gender balanced, with 1,476 men and 1,476 women. And finally, looking to other news now, internationally acclaimed artists One Republic, Three Doors Down, Deep Purple and The Script have been announced as the headlining acts for this year's Emirates Airline Dubai Jazz Festival, which takes centre stage from Thursday at Festival Park, Dubai Festival City. Running until Friday, the 22nd of February, the event will showcase an array of jazz, blues, soul and R&B, covering almost all genres of music. Bigger and better this year, the event expects over 50,000 fans from the UAE and neighbouring GCC countries, a record high for the festival. Marking the 11th edition, event organisers Chill Out Productions have brought some of the most talented artists of the global music industry to Dubai over the past decade. And this year is no different. Founder Anthony Yunus also announced that Emirates Airline has come on board as a key sponsor for the next 5 years, in addition to a list of major stakeholders. Yunus added that with a packed schedule ahead, preparations started well in advance.
It started in 2003, this was the first edition, and we started it to as a 3-day mainstream jazz festival. And then I decided to make it slightly bigger year after year. And as you can see, like this year or 2012, we had around 46,000 people. And this year, 2013, we're probably expecting more than 50,000 people, especially for the script in the Deep Purple and One Republic. The numbers are really amazing. Three Doors Down, they are doing really great also. So basically, yeah, we're going to have a full house almost every night.